Give you a ticket yet?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna give you another one because you're sitting in the car getting a demo.
Yes.
If I can get a little bit of information from you, I will give you this.
All right.
We like to capture this, obviously, when we're giving away a cooler from Alpine Side. We like to capture a little bit of information from people.
Yeah.
And we can, later on it might be useful, but just your name, last name, and your email and your phone number. The big key is finding the right people to do it too. But
Yeah.
all right, so what I'm gonna do now is, I don't know if you like country or not, but you might just deal with it for a few minutes because I'm gonna play a little bit of. The point of this track here is to kind of show you the staging of the vocals.
Right. I like music. I like music. I listen to a little everything.
Yeah, which is me too. Of course, you got him banging on the side of us right now, but listen to where she's
I got a girl crush. Hate to admit it, but I got a heart rush. It's slowing down. I got it real bad. Want everything she has. That smile and that midnight laugh. She's giving you now.
Just try. You'll be able to hear his mouth open.
Yeah. It's like it's imaged
And
right
it's
in.
there. But now wait till you hear just before he goes to sing and in between singing and listen to his mouth. Coming on.
There's a bottle on the dresser by your ring, and it's empty. So right now I don't feel a thing. I'll be hurting when I wake up on the floor.
Drums here, your guitars here, your vocals here, just like it is in the studio.
Hey, little girl, is your daddy home? Did he go and leave you all alone? I got a bad desire. Oh, I'm on fire. Tell me now, baby, is it good to you? And can I do to you the things that I do?
Regulators. You regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
It was a clear night, a clear white moon. She was on the streets trying to consume some skirt for the eve, so I could get some phones rolling in my ride, chilling all alone.
Just hit the east side of the LBC on a mission trying to find Mr. Warren G. See the car full of girls, ain't no need to tweak. All you skirts, you know what's up with 213.
So I hooked some left on 21 and Lewis, some brothers shooting dice. So I said, let's do this. I jumped up the rock and said, what's up? Some brothers put some gas, so I said, I'm
Now that's a Type X sub too?
Yep. Yeah, 112. 112 behind the seat, and kind of you think it's in here. But it's behind the seat. A lot of that was done from
Help you find a
alignment and crossover,
Yeah.
everything, right?
Tuning.
Tuning it.
Through
Right.
all of this madness.
And see, that's another thing I like to do. Get a mixture of music and play it in the car, see how it sounds, and then go from there where I want to go. Exactly right. Direction. I want to go the mix and the balance.
Exactly right.
Even if you don't agree.
But one thing I'm trying to do too is jump around. I'm just trying to play a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
So you can get a feel for it. Really, 10 seconds into it, you're very faint. You're gonna hear a guy laugh in that track.
Oh yeah, that's the other part that makes a difference. I've learned. I had a chance to be in a place that had Bang Olufsen. And I was,
Olsen, yeah.
I don't know. I know it. I'm not saying it right, but I know it blew me away.
Yep.
Then when they showed me the price, I walked away. Yeah, it shocked the hell out of me. But yeah, this is a hit here.
Again, this stuff is affordable, but this song and a lot of people know. And when I point this out to people, when they hear it for the first time, they're kind of blown away. You'll hear them laughing that track. Just hang on.
Some forgotten words.
Did you hear?
Thought I heard it, but yeah.
That's in that recording.
Right. Yeah. I know another track where you have to listen and you'll catch something like that. A guy curses, but you'll miss it if you don't have the, this type of quality.
Right. What is it? What's the song? Of course, if it's coming back to YouTube, it probably won't hear, but you never know.
It's I want to say Tony. It Never Rains in Southern California.
Well, It Never Rains in Southern California
Yeah.
was not America.
No, Tony did one.
Oh,
They
okay.
did one.
All right.
It was
If I have to YouTube
late 80s,
it,
early 90s.
probably won't pick it up.
yeah,
but-
because you had to have the CD to pick it up at that time when it came out. It was YouTube. You're not gonna get that. Yeah, you can't get quality. From
Yeah,
that.
I mean, it's really, really bad on
Yeah.
YouTube.
That's because they probably want you to upgrade to YouTube
Well, I mean,
Premium.
it is
or
what it is
something.
because you're talking about streaming. You're talking about so many
Yeah.
things there.
That's why certain music I have it downloaded to my phone so I could.
Yeah. Well,
See, I play in a band too, so it makes a difference when I can hear those different instruments.
what'd you play?
I play clarinet
Oh, sweet.
and
All right.
bass clarinet.
All right.
Yeah, I heard that. Yeah, I'm familiar with them.
Man, I've seen Rolling.
Yeah. Yes. I have some stuff saved. It's almost like that IMAX experience with the
Yeah.
staging of it.
Yeah. Just truck sounds beautiful. It really does.
Oh,
These
yeah.
speakers are really, really sweet.
And to have this right here at this size, at this point in the stage, oh man. I'd be parked way out somewhere, just cranked up, just by myself with my little Starbucks coffee.
Listen, brother, that's a great quote. Sometimes people quote some stuff that we wish. I mean, let me get that on recording. You know, I had one guy last event I worked. He said, "Man, if my vehicle sounded like this," he said, "I had a truck. He said, my truck sounded like this, I would just take my lunch breaks and just go sit out in my car and eat my lunch and listen to music for the hour."
Yeah, I wouldn't even brother. I'd skip lunch I'd take my lunch, but I wouldn't even eat. I'd be sitting in here with my little coffee, sipping. I might text somebody, or I might just not even text nobody. Just sit there and be like,
listen to different stuff, right?
Yeah, because retail can be hell.
I hear you, man. You know, unfortunately, I haven't worked retail for a short time.
Yeah. Well, everybody should get that little experience of it to see.
Yeah,
so.
100%.
You learn how to sell too.
Yep.
I got my little selling techniques.
But you seem easy going and stuff too at the same time.
Yeah.
Great,
well, a lot of people want something but not sure what they want. That's why it's like, I understand it's a selling technique to get me to buy today. But my thing is, I'm not worried about the sale price. I want to figure out what I want, and I'm going to buy it regardless, because it's what I want.
Yep.
Sorry about that, sir. Would you happen to have some tickets on you? I'm about to draw for...
Let's go in there, because he's got...
Alright, I'm gonna have it on 1 amp to start, alright?
Yeah.
Because I have
Damn, I ain't pick on psycho. Lil' mama bad at Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Homo for clowns and all the balls. Oh, I ain't pick on psycho. Lil' mama bad at Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Ever since a kid, think I made my first million on that shit, this is it. Ay, 34 walked through, man, we had every slit. Ay, had so many bottles, gave ugly girl a sip. Out the window of the Benz, so we get sitting in the red. And I'm like,
Thank